Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering every data point and immediately sort them in ascending order. Do this now so order-dependent steps are valid. Once done, count n, the total number of observations, because the method depends on whether n is odd or even. Make sure to exclude blank entries but keep repeated values. If you're using a spreadsheet, use a sort function to avoid manual mistakes, and confirm the first and last entries match your expectations before moving to the median position step. Now determine the median index. If n is odd, compute position n+1/2 and pick that value. If n is even, identify the two central positions at n/2 and n/2+1 and plan to average them. Do this step by step. Count into the sorted list to the first central index, then confirm the adjacent index for even n. Once you've isolated the value, s, explain why. The median minimizes absolute deviations and resists outliers, which is why the central value, s, represent the distribution center. Finish by calculating the median. For an odd n, state the central value exactly. For an even n, add the two central values and divide by 2 to get the median. Make sure to show the arithmetic when teaching others so the why is clear. If results look wrong, troubleshoot by resorting the list, confirming you used one-based indexing, and checking for hidden blanks or text entries in numeric fields. If needed, recount n and repeat the position logic to resolve errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.